Hey guys, today I will show you how to convert our Word file to PDF file. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, this is our Word file. And to convert it to PDF, go to Menu and click on Save As. Then change your file type to PDF format. Then click on Save. Now this is our PDF file and let's open it. Yeah, as you can see, we convert our Word file to PDF file successfully. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.